Hey guys, I recently got my hands on the Walmart ONN streaming device, but there's one big problem. If you're using it outside the US, especially after a factory reset, you may run into the annoying region unsupported error. That's exactly what happened to me here in the UK. So in this video, I'll show you the simple steps to bypass the region restriction and get your ONN 4K device working again, no matter where you are. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share this video with as many people as possible. So for this tutorial, you'll only need a laptop or a PC. The best part is that it is absolutely free. First thing we're going to do is click on Start and then type in Network, which should give us the View Network Connections option. And this will bring up this page. Now, if you can't get to this page with this method, there is another way to get into it. So again, we're going to go to Start and type in Power, which will give us the option to go into PowerShell. Once here, we're going to type in ncpa.cpl. Then press Enter and we're back on the same page as before. All right, let's minimize this window and open our web browser. Go ahead and search for Surfshark VPN and navigate to their website. To bypass the region-locked restrictions on your ONN device, it's essential to use a VPN like Surfshark. Free VPN services often lack the necessary features to effectively bypass these restrictions. I recommend Surfshark VPN. Not only will it help you unlock the device's region limitations, but it will also ensure your streaming experience remains smooth and secure. Additionally, you can enjoy up to 87% off by using the link in the description below. Once there, scroll down and click on the Windows app option. After that, the download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, click on it to begin the installation. You can leave the default directory, then click Install. This process might take a minute or two, so I'll speed it up here. Once the installation is done, the app should open automatically. Before connecting to a server, let's click on Start and head over to Settings. In Settings, click on Network and Internet. Then scroll down and select Mobile Hotspot. Here, you'll find the hotspot details. The first thing we'll do is change the password for the mobile hotspot to something easy to remember since we'll be using it with our ONN device shortly. You can also change the default name, but I'll skip that for now. Don't forget to click Save. Once that's done, go ahead and turn on your hotspot. Make sure both your mobile hotspot and Wi-Fi are enabled. Now return to the Connections tab that we opened earlier. Here, we need to figure out which connection is our mobile hotspot. To do this, simply toggle your hotspot off and on again so you can identify it. For me, it's listed as Local Area Connection 10. Next, let's open Surfshark VPN. Select United States, then click Quick Connect. This should take around 10 to 15 seconds to connect. Once you're connected, open the Network Connections tab again. You should now see a new connection called Surfshark WireGuard. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Sharing tab. If the box isn't already checked, go ahead and check it. Click OK if you see any confirmation messages. Finally, find your mobile hotspot connection. Mine is Local Area Connection 10. Select it and click OK. And that's it. The settings on our PC are now all set up. Alright, as the Google TV screen loads up, all we need to do is connect our ONN streaming device to the mobile hotspot connection that we created on our PC. First, we need to pair the remote. Let's do that right now. Now select the English language. Now select United States as your region. This should work absolutely fine. Now let's select Setup with TV instead. And this is the part where we need to connect the device to our mobile hotspot. You need to use the same password that you changed on the PC earlier. Let's allow it to make a connection. And it worked. Let me sign into my Google account. I am going to skip all the setup process here and there you go. Your ONN streaming device is up and running. I'll scroll down to see if there is no connection problem. And by the way, guys, you can now go into your Wi-Fi settings and change the Wi-Fi to your home network, and it will work perfectly without a VPN. That pretty much does it for this video. This is basically how you get the ONN 4K Pro or any of the ONN streaming devices to work outside of the United States. Now, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, then please do consider subscribing as I have more videos coming up. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.